omenda e pachoka kata Bengi. Bengi mar ABSA oyudo ohala mar siling bilion 10.7 e thuolo mar dweche adek ma orumo tarik 30 mar dwe mar 9 ma higani. Ohala makamano en atamalo 30 kipimo kod ohala mar silings bilion 8.2 ma Bengi no noloso e thuolo machalo kamano higa mokalo. Ohala no kelo ahinya gi hola ma jopiny osekawo e Bengi no. Bengi no po okenge ma bende giseketo mago masani onyuolo lemo.
Our growth has been largely NII driven, up 25%. So NFI is where you have fees and commissions and FX revenues is up 16. Still a very good growth for NFI. Our target for NFI has always been double-digit growth.
We are now relevant in this market. The brand is behind us. And now we are really looking at, investments and market share growth. Just looking at this period, you can be able to see that indeed, if you're outperforming the industry, then definitely your market share is also, peaking.